Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Hunting Technologies. One of the questions we get asked a lot is, where's my setup manual? Where's my setup guide? Every machine that we ship out, provided we have an email address for you, email is sent with your shipping information on there, has your tracking information, the company that's actually transporting your machine, and in that email, there's a link to our knowledge base page. It is password protected. There is a password that's emailed to you in that same email. If you click on that, that will take you directly to our knowledge base page. And if you scroll down the page, there's a full setup guide and there's a full operations manual on there that'll give you everything that you need to set these machines up. If for some reason you didn't get the email, you can always give us a call. But every machine that we ship out, like I said, as long as there's an email, we've emailed that to you so you have that information. If you have any questions about that, give me a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.